The next thing that I'm going to do is create the blend shapes. To create the blend shapes, I'm going to select this geometry and I'm going to start modifying it. Right now, if I modify this one, it really, I can have control on where everything is going. Usually, I would prefer to do something a little bit different, to have something as a base. What am I going to use as a base? I'm going to use a copy of the head. So I'm going to copy the head again, and I'm going to use these. Oh, these are the eyes. It's not the head. I'm going to do a copy of the head, and I'm going to set it as a live object. So I'm going to click this button as a live object. So now everything that I deform, for example, if I deform this one, it's going to stick to the surface of the previous one, right? So it's going to be easy to maintain the shape that I have in my face when I slide, and these geos are only going to be sliding. And now I'm going to use the sculpt tool to modify it. So I'm going to use the sculpt tool. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to turn on also maybe the, what else am I going to turn on? The symmetry. So I'm going to turn the symmetry in the object X, so I can select this, grab it, and move it up. Whoops. Let's try again. Let's try to modify it. Oops. I think I'm not painting the correct geo. Let me do it. Okay, this is the one I want to deform. Sculpt tool. Let's try it. Okay, and after I finish the sculpt, I get the result. That's why it looked like weird for me. But anyway, I'm gonna try to move it up, move them up. Oh, this is breaking too much. Let's try something else. Let's try to select the vertices and just move them up. Yeah, this is way better in this case. Yeah, I don't think I was able to use the other tool. Let me select these and move them a little bit up. So right now I want to move the brows up. Usually it's better if the brows are completely straight. I don't like that they have a shape already here. It's better to keep the brows straight, because otherwise they already have some kind of expression on them. So it's going to be difficult to remove that expression from the character, right? Okay, so I'm moving these ones a little bit up, a little bit up, a little bit up. Everything has to move up, right? So this is my blend shape, and maybe I'm not getting exactly the shape that I would like in the brow geometry, but doesn't matter. I'm gonna try to fix it later. Let me remove the live object. I don't think I need it. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to delete it. Now that I'm here, and I don't know how much it helped me, since now my pose is not that symmetrical. Let's go with the sculpt tool and smooth out a little bit this. Okay, and see what we get. Let me grab this and smooth out a little bit. Okay, so this will be my brows up. Okay, so this is my brows up, sort of, and now I need to split the deformations of my brows. Okay, I have my brows up. It's okay, it's not perfect. Actually, I don't like the shape that was lost here. So this was attached with the proximity wrap, right? I'm going to try to remove that proximity wrap. So I can model these ones by hand now. So I'm gonna use the sculpt tools with the mirror option, and I'm going to smooth out and maybe grab these pieces to make them get a better shape. right? Actually here I think I should select this one, maybe this one, grow a little bit this, and maybe rotate it. I don't see my gizmo because I need to modify here to default, and I can slightly rotate it a little bit. Rotate it. It has the step snap. I don't want a step snap. I want to move it very gradual and linearly. So I'm going to move this, and this is moving my brows up, right? And I'm moving my brows up. Okay, and now I can smooth out a little bit with the sculpt tool. So I'm going to do a little bit of the sculpt tool. I'm a little bit concerned that this is not symmetrical. Anyway, I guess I will need to check the symmetry later and check if this, what am I doing wrong here with the symmetry of this asset. Yeah, because there is something that doesn't look very symmetrical. Anyway, this doesn't look very symmetrical at all. Let's try to smooth it out. Okay, so this is my brows up. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. It's not perfect, but it's a start. And I have there my brows up. I hope that was clear.